Hey everyone, Grant Alexander here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to build this project. It's inspired by my friend Bishy Rascal. You can find a link to his channel below. We were chatting about an earlier project, the Maple Burl planter, and based on his comments, I made this, the Maple Burl t-lite holder. For those of you who don't know what burl is, here's a picture. It's a deformity on a tree that produces some really cool grain. Hope you enjoy. To clean off this rough edge that's left over from the sawmill, you can use a thickness planer. If you don't have a thickness planer, you can use a hand plane. What's that, you say? You don't have a thickness planer or a hand plane? Well then, you can use sandpaper. I hope you enjoyed that video where I made this Maple Burl candle holder. It was really fun and a super easy project. If you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know when I upload a new video. Until next time, cheers. And have a great day.